Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to sign out of your Netflix account on a hotel TV. Now, this might seem like a tricky task, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple tricks. First things first, grab your remote and navigate to the Netflix app on the TV. It's usually found in the list of apps or under the smart or internet section. Once you're in the Netflix app, use the remote to to the top or the bottom of the screen to reveal the menu options. Look for the settings or account option. In the settings or account menu, you should find the option to sign out or log out. Click on it to proceed. After selecting sign out, the TV will usually ask you to confirm your action. This is just to make sure you're certain about signing out of your Netflix account. Once you've successfully signed out, use the remote to exit the Netflix app and return to the main menu or TV channels. And there you have it, you've successfully signed out of your Netflix account on a hotel TV. Now, the next guest can enjoy their own Netflix experiencing without accessing your account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you